This isn't going to make sense right now, but when you watch the next video, I show you how to do everything except for save your adjusted selection. So with the lasso tool, if I add to this selection, and this is a terrible addition, but I need to zoom in to really get that. But all I wanted to show you is you go under Select, not after every edition, but when you want to save what you've been working on, you go back to Save Selection. Don't make a new channel. Come up to whatever you named your temporary or in progress selection. It might even be called Woman, and replace the channel. Click OK. Then your progress is saved. And should you deselect accidentally, you can always go under Select, Load Selection, and choose what you were working on before, and you're ready to roll once again. So don't worry about that right now. When you watch the next video, that'll make sense.